What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix EC anti-cheat error on Epic Games, or whenever you're trying to play the game on your Steam you're having EC anti-cheat error that is happening for many users right now, and how we can fix this up. So you have to follow the same instruction on both. So the first one, if you're using the Epic Games, just go over here and move to the game that you have already installed or having the trouble with. Just click on this three-dot menu. Now go to manage. Now we have an option called installation and click on this one. And right now if you get into this, you have folder named over here, and if you get into this, you'll be having a separate folder here for EC anti-cheat. And if you don't have, just close this because there is some mistake in this, which means the file is not fully downloaded. We are having some corruption. So I'll demonstrate you with an example from the Steam. Just go to the library. Now let me scroll down and navigate to rematch. So you'll be able to find somewhere else here rematch. So in the rematch, if I go over here, I have to right click, go to manage, click on the browse local file. Now once you get into this, if you go over here, you can see we have an option called EC anti-cheat, and we have this option that is called EC anti-cheat, and we have the setup. So right now, right click on this one and go to over here. You have to copy, or you can just send this to show more options and send this one to the desktop. So you have sent a shortcut to the desktop. Now we have to close this particular one, and you can see this is the shortcut. Now right click and go to the show more options, properties, and over here in the target you can see, just go over here at the last, we have .exe, and right now once you give this particular value, put a space, then you have to type repair. Once you type repair, you have to go for apply, and you have to go for okay. Let me remove this, just put an apply, go for okay. Make sure one thing that I did a mistake, that is you should not be using the colon over here. So as you can see, I have not colon, the colon was removed. I kept the colon but removed, put a space, type repair, go for okay. Now once afterwards, right click and go for run as administrator. Then what happens is just go for yes, and you can launch the game and you can check. And also parallelly there is one more thing, just go over here, search for firewall, just click on this one, and right now from here, not this one, just go over here, control panel, you can just click on this one, and you can go over here, Windows Defender Firewall, right click on allow and import feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings. Now we need to add the anti-cheat, so just click on the browse. So it is on the desktop, so I have to go to the desktop over here. Now if I scroll down, somewhere else here I'll find the EC anti-cheat, select this one, so it is a shortcut created, just go for open and add it. Once you add, you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Now close this and you have to check. This is what you have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. You can do the same step for both Steam as well as on the Epic Games. So that's what it is, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.